In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Google Chrome version and update Chrome the easy way. Keeping Chrome updated is important because updates give you security fixes, new features, and better performance. So if your browser feels outdated or you just want to make sure you're on the latest version, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, desktop, or start menu, depending on how you normally launch it. Once Chrome opens, look toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is also called the Chrome menu. Click that menu to open the main settings and options list. From the menu, hover over Help, then click About Google Chrome. This is the section where Chrome shows you your current version and checks for updates automatically. As soon as you open this page, Chrome will begin looking for the latest version in the background. Now take a look at the screen. Here, you'll see your current Chrome version number along with the update status. If your browser is already up to date, Chrome will tell you that right away. If an update is available, Chrome will start downloading it automatically. In most cases, you won't need to do anything else while that happens. Just wait for the update process to finish. Chrome may install the update in the background, so this can take a few moments depending on your internet speed and system performance. This is completely normal, so give it a little time and let the browser finish the process. Once the update is ready, you'll see a relaunch button appear. Click Relaunch to restart Chrome and complete the update. When the browser reopens, it will be running the newest version available. That means you're now up to date and ready to browse with the latest security and performance improvements. And that's it. You've now learned how to check your Chrome version and update Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. It's a good habit to do this regularly, especially if you use Chrome every day for work, school, or browsing online. Keeping your browser current helps protect you and make sure you get the best experience possible. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.